Here's the new Astra.
Here it is.
So here it is, our new Opel Astra. And I'm sure you will agree, the new Astra and the Astra Sports Tourer looks stunning. And now, Rebecca, over to you for the details.
Thank you, Florian. Florian is absolutely right. The new Astra is stunning, and I'm delighted to be here to tell you a little bit more about both the elegant hatchback and the spacious yet sleek sports tourer. Astra has always been a great-looking car, so we've been careful to retain the overall design that has appealed to our customers and excited numerous design award juries over the years. What's new is the latest interpretation of the Opel-Vizor. If it looks familiar, that's no accident. It is a design cue of our most recent concept car. Before I walk you around the interior, I want to pick out one other detail. No exterior chrome details. This is an important step on our sustainability journey, and it brings me neatly to the interior. The cabin really oozes a sense of enhanced roominess and light. The seats are made from 100% recycled materials. We call it Renew Knit. But what about comfort? Our highly acclaimed patented Intelli-Seats are standard on all trims. All I say to this, long journeys transformed. And once you've tried these seats, you don't want to go back. Aside from that, our designers in Rüsselsheim have further optimized the cockpit. It's even cleaner and more pleasingly tactile thanks to the silky smooth satin gray finish. The permanently illuminated Opel Blitz forms a dramatic centerpiece of the compass, an LED lighting signature that isn't just an industry first, it is also a face to remember. There are many new features, far too many for me to talk about in these short few minutes. But I do want to pick out our Intelli-Lux HD headlights. Developed by our engineering team in Rüsselsheim, these truly innovative headlights consist of 50,000 sensor-activated pixel elements. They respond in real time to nighttime road conditions. The road ahead, traffic signs, obstacles, pedestrians are all lit up with breathtaking precision and without dazzling other drivers. This is an advanced feature for this segment. Let's talk about our beautiful sports tourer for a moment. And because you just can't miss it, I'm going to start with the new clover green body color that you can see here. It has a fantastic depth, ranging from rich, vibrant hues to deeper, more sophisticated tones. I think it perfectly supports the elegant form of the car. Our sports tourer is not just elegant, it has a huge boot. If you fold the rear seats flat, you can transport anything from flat pack furniture, skis, you name it. It's just so versatile. All of this comes with a great choice of powertrain, offering our customers a choice between efficient internal combustion engines, a 48-volt hybrid, a plug-in hybrid, and a fully electric version, now with a range of 454 kilometers according to WLTP. In addition, all fully electric vehicles come with an 8-year warranty as part of our electric all-in program. So let me wrap up by saying, with 6 generations and over 13 million units sold, Astra is an Opel foundation. And this latest iteration represents a strong continuation of our success in the compact car segment. Why? Because it represents the best of Opel expertise in all areas. But most of all, because it's designed, developed, built in Rüsselsheim, Germany, with precision, purpose and pride.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.